Hi everybody, it's Carrie at memoryinkers.com. I am here to share my paper pumpkin alternative with you for the June paper pumpkin kit. Now, usually I like to show you everything that's in the kit when I first open it, and then I go play with it, and I add more to the video. Well, I kind of lost control a little bit, and I just did everything. So I'm just going to show you what I did. So here's the awesome kit. Then here is what I have left. I still have some of this gorgeous baker's twine. I'm hoping you can see that. It's black with gold in it. It's so pretty. Came with a lovely lipstick stamping spot. A fun little stamp set. It says, "Congrats, so proud of you. We just wanted to say, it's your day and you did it." And a cake and some little, like, I know it's hard to see because I've been using them, but little, like, see if I do this. There. Little like stars, I guess, is what I would call them. And then it came with some sequins and some pearls that were already adhesive backed. Of course, your adhesives that you expect to get. It came with a packet that had 4 of these and then 4 that were black here where it's white. So I know this is terrible. I'm so sorry. 2 pages of the word hooray. So you got 8 hooray in the beautiful gold foil. Some little, my brain is dead. Little pieces of cardstock for you to write your sentiments on. I used all the balloons, but just a few of the birthday candles, and these are adhesive. Lots of adorable birthday cakes. These are not adhesive, so it was kind of fun. You could pop them up. Dots, of course. It came with 4 of these really nice card bases, and then 4 of these, and then this, and then some banners, and there was also some lovely lipstick squares that you'll see used, but I used them all. So all of that was in the kit, but this, when I saw these envelopes, how cute, right? And I immediately thought, okay, I have a plan for these. So suddenly I was off to the races and using everything up. So I'm so sorry about that. Let me move all this stuff out of the way and I will show you what I did. First, this is a card that's pretty much the one that they suggest on the sample. And then I did one similar, but not quite to this one, because I used all the balloons. You'll see. You'll see. Then I could not help myself. This lovely lipstick square and this little black piece. Remember me telling you there was a black piece? See how on this one it fits inside? Or you can leave it so that it's white on the inside. But I saw it and went, oh my gosh, it looks like a house. So I made this little house out of those 2 pieces. And then I cut the doorway with this piece and the windows with this piece. And these are from the At Home Framelit dies. And this, I Feel at Home When I'm With You, is from the At Home With You stamp set. Now, these are still available, although they're no longer a bundle like they were in the, I think it was in the holiday catalog that they were. And then these were just, I actually had some schmutz. So I just put those on there, and this is popped up with dimensionals. But isn't that fun? I couldn't, I know, it's crazy. I couldn't help myself. So I made that. And then this was what just did me in with those envelopes. This is all the envelopes. This piece of cardstock is 8.5 by, I wrote it down. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, sorry about that. It was 8.5 by 5 3/4, and then I scored it here at 5/8 of an inch. All of the envelopes were cut down to 5 inches, so that this is the flap. So they were all cut down to 5 inches, and then I just went a little crazy. So you can see that I just decorated. I didn't put any photos in it yet because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to give this as a gift or what I'm going to do with it, but I mean, this could be a fun thing to give somebody for, obviously, their birthday, retirement, even just fun. I'm actually thinking of using it for one of my Stampin' Up! Trips that I go on, just to, as a little goodie gift for one of my roommates. But you can see I used the balloons, and they came in Lemon Lime Twist and Lovely Lipstick. And I put the opposite color on the other side. And then here I cut the cards in half so that you could add photos or journal. And this piece is actually the bottom of that. So that's where that came from. And then these just slide back in. And of course you could decorate this side. Now on these, this is from the white tag, which I have right here. It's this piece. I don't know if you can see it, but I had to snip it, and then because I wanted it to kind of be similar to what I did on the black stripe ones. And then this is that piece of Lovely Lipstick that was also this is self-adhesive. And then I just sort of repeated what I did. Now I didn't have enough of this piece to do what I did here because I used it on the house. But these were the cuts from the window. Now, they're kind of messy. You know me, I'm just not that particular about things being perfectly perfect all the time. Although that always drives me crazy. So I just thought, hey, you know what? Let's make them kind of cascade down the page because that would be fun. And then on this page, I just added the other last half of the card that was available, and then one of the little things, which is upside down from the way they normally go. Let's see if I can find one like that. So I just did it just to be different. I just did it upside down. But anyway, and then I just, I had adhered all of the envelopes because they were cut. There was no adhesive left on the envelopes. So I used tear and tape. And then I just, after I put it together, I don't know if you can see this, but I used my little hole punch to punch a little curve in there, so that when I wrapped around the baker's twine, it would stay in place. And then I just tied. This is also adhered down with tear and tape also. So, but this was what I had to do it. I couldn't help myself. I kind of lost my mind a little bit with it. So anyway, so those are my paper pumpkin alternatives for the June paper pumpkin kit. I didn't really do any crafting for you guys on this one, but certainly if you have any questions, I would love to answer. So, and there will definitely be more specific directions on my blog at memoryinkers.com. It is part of a paper pumpkin pop-up today, which is June 30th, I think. You will see a bunch of other people's ideas also with this awesome paper pumpkin kit. So make sure you hop over there and do the blog hop. I will put a link, connect a link to this on YouTube. I think I have to put it in the comments. You know, I'm still not like super savvy like all the fancy pants people, but I love what I do, and I love that you're here watching me. So thank you very much. I hope you have a fabulous day. And if you have any questions about paper pumpkin, the most awesome stuff that comes in the mail every month, it's just so fun. It's a little surprise, and it's a great opportunity to just sit and craft. I was just like singing all day today while I was playing with this. Anyway, I did not post my singing on here because I like you guys. Anyway, I hope you'll come back to my YouTube page and my blog. And don't forget, I am on Facebook at facebook.com/memoryinkers. Thanks. Bye.